Join me as I take on the challenge of traveling with my cat for the first time and see if we can make it an adventure to remember. In this video, you'll learn how to make traveling with your feline friend an enjoyable experience for both of you. Many cat owners struggle with the logistics of traveling with their pets, from anxiety during the journey to finding pet-friendly accommodations. It's not uncommon to worry about how your cat will react to being in a new environment, or how you'll keep them entertained during long car rides or flights. Additionally, figuring out which hotels or vacation rentals allow pets can be a daunting task. Some owners may even feel guilty about leaving their cat behind, but with a little planning and preparation, you can ensure a stress-free trip for both you and your feline companion. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or embarking on your first trip with your cat, this video will provide you with valuable tips and insights to make the experience enjoyable for everyone involved. We'll explore essential tips such as preparing your cat for travel, choosing the right carrier, and keeping them calm during the trip. You'll learn how to acclimate your cat to their carrier beforehand, what to pack in your cat's travel kit, and how to create a comfortable and familiar environment while on the road. We'll also delve into the importance of planning for regular breaks during road trips and booking pet-friendly accommodations that cater to your cat's needs. Preparing your cat for travel is crucial to reducing anxiety and stress during the journey. Start by getting your cat accustomed to their carrier weeks before the trip. Place their favorite toys or blankets inside to make it a welcoming space. You can also try feeding them treats or meals near the carrier to create positive associations. Another essential item to pack is a pheromone spray, which can help calm your cat in new environments. By taking these small steps, you can help ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip for your feline friend. Keeping your cat calm during the trip is also vital. One way to do this is by providing a familiar environment, such as bringing their favorite blanket or toy. You can also try playing calming music or white noise to distract them from any unfamiliar sounds. Another tip is to maintain a regular feeding schedule and provide plenty of water breaks during road trips. By doing so, you can reduce your cat's stress levels and create a more enjoyable experience for both of you. The key moment will highlight expert tips on how to create a stress-free environment for your cat while on the road. One expert suggestion is to book a pet-friendly hotel or vacation rental with a separate room for your cat, allowing them to have their own space and reducing anxiety. Another tip is to pack a portable litter box and familiar litter, so your cat can maintain their usual routine even while traveling. By following these expert tips, you can create a comfortable and stress-free environment for your feline companion. To create a stress-free environment, it's essential to plan ahead and research pet-friendly accommodations that cater to your cat's needs. Look for hotels or vacation rentals with separate rooms or areas for pets, and make sure they allow cats of your breed and size. You can also book a pet sitter or ask a local pet sitting service to check in on your cat during the day, giving you peace of mind while you're out exploring. By following these expert tips, you can ensure a stress-free and enjoyable trip for both you and your cat. Whether you're traveling by car, plane, or train, with a little planning and preparation, you can create a comfortable and familiar environment for your feline friend. To wrap up, we'll summarize the main points covered and emphasize that traveling with your cat can be easy and fun. By preparing your cat for travel, choosing the right carrier, and keeping them calm during the trip, you can create a stress-free environment for your feline companion. Remember to plan ahead, research pet-friendly accommodations, and pack essential items to make the journey enjoyable for both of you. Don't forget to leave a comment about your own travel experiences with your cat, and check out our next video on cat care tips.